Yeah. They said it couldn't be done. Said it was too far gone. But I see beauty where others see damage. Let's go. What?
They walk past, shook their heads, and man, that flows through. Scratches deep, colors faded, years of life showing through. They said tear it out, replace it, start from something new. But I look closer at the grain, said nah, I see you. Every mark got a story, every boy got a past. Kids running through the hallway, moments moving fast. Time wore it down, but it never took the soul. Just needed the right hands, the patience and control. I don't rush it, I respect it. Every inch gets inspected. No shortcuts, no guessing. It's that real wood flow. Confession, they didn't think we could do it. Said these floors were done for life, but we brought these hardwood floors back. Yeah, we brought them back to life. No sanding, just precision. Let the beauty show again. What was dull now got a glow. Yeah, we did it once again. They didn't think we could do it, but we brought them back to life. Screen and recoat, steady hands, let it breathe. Color correction, dial in, bring it back naturally. Now cover mistakes, now we honor what's real. Bring balance to the tone, make the whole room feel. You can feel it when you walk in, something different in the air. Like the house just took a breath, like somebody truly cared. This ain't just a service, it's a craft I live. Restoring what was overlooked, that's the gift I give. Years of knowledge in my touch, every floor tells me enough.